Donald Trump says he would not mind paying more in taxes, but insists if he's president, you will pay less.
Your original statement in the debates, you might have to go up a little for me. For me, I might have to pay more.
No, what it meant, you're going to actually perhaps go down, actually. Everybody's going to go down. But who's really going to go down is the middle class, who have been absolutely destroyed by taxes.
Hillary Clinton also claiming her tax plan will help the middle class. So which one actually will have a positive impact on your wallet? Let's talk to this guy. He is Professor Brian Brinberg. He's the chairman of a business and finance program at King's College in Manhattan. Good morning to you. All right, let's go to the magic wall and take a look at what is going on. First of all, Hillary's plan, let's talk a little bit about it.
Absolutely. So the centerpiece of Hillary's plan is higher taxes on higher income earners. You can see here the big one is the 4% surcharge on high income taxpayers. That's going to hit people with incomes over $5 million. Also, the Buffett rule for those making over $1 million, that's a 30% minimum tax.
Wow.
So the big idea here is tax the rich to fund spending that'll hit the middle class.
All right. And then for businesses?
Yeah, smaller issues here, tax credits for profit sharing and apprenticeship, taxes on high-frequency trading. This is a much smaller piece of the overall package. The real issue is right up here with the high income.
But you can understand why that would appeal to her base, right?
Absolutely, because it looks like you're taxing a small group of people to pay for benefits for everyone else. Right, that's
right.
right.
What have they done for us? Meanwhile, let's go ahead and take a look at, here's Hillary, and here is Donald Trump's plan. He's a rich guy.
The big thing here, one, breaking down the tax brackets down to just 4, and notice the 0% tax bracket for incomes up to $50,000 for married couples and 25. That's a big, big cut. Also eliminates the alternative minimum tax. Eliminates a whole bunch of taxes that hit both middle class and high tax or high income taxpayers.
Then when it comes to business,
corporate
15%.
Tax rate down to 15%. That's absolutely huge.
All right. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and compare them head to head. And this is really where the rubber meets the road. When you look at her plan and his plan, over 10 years, his would have almost 12% GDP growth. Hers would be -1%.
Yeah, there's huge differences in the economic effects. If you look at the income growth, if you look at wage growth, if you look at job growth. But here's the big thing you also have to notice, what they're going to go after each other in the campaign trail. Hillary's going to say Trump's plan increases the debt by about $10 trillion over a decade. So you get big growth. Yeah, it is. He said this is a huge, huge tax cut. That's why you get so much boost in economic growth, but it also cuts revenue. So he's going to have to deal with that when it comes to the general election.
Look at that. His plan creates 5 million jobs. She loses 300,000.
Yeah, and that's what he's going to sell. That's a huge difference.
All right. Professor, thank you very much.
Good to see you always.
Now you know.